Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day. I just wanted to come on and show you another haul, which I got a whole bunch of goodies, and I got them from various places. Some I got on eBay, I think just eBay and Amazon. I believe that's all. So anyway, I'm going to show you what I got on Amazon first. And I have been doing a lot of, well, I plan on doing more videos on die cutting. So I just upgraded my stash because these Big Shot and Big Shot Plus cutting pads, mine were so sad. They were so warped and old. So I splurged and I got for both my, for my Big Shot Plus machine. And this is for my Big Shot machine, but it's the extended die, so it's the pad, so it's a longer pad. And I have a regular one coming in the mail, but I got both of these on Amazon. And the reason I really got this one is I got this this is what I got on eBay. And I think this is discontinued, but I can't wait to get into this. It's Elaine Hall. And it's a Scoreboard Plus, and this is a journal. We're going to have so much fun with this. And this is only for a Big Shot Plus, or I believe a Big Shot Pro machine. This has the felted pad with the cutters in underneath. They're in the foam. So I'm gonna do videos on this because we're gonna be making this journal. So I'm looking forward to using this. So I'm just gonna put that to the side for now. And it was reasonably priced. I think this is like 50 or 60 bucks. And it was under, I had to pay like 12 and change to have it shipped, but it was much more affordable. So you can find these, you just have to look for them. And then the other thing I got, and as I said, I'm going to be doing all these kind of little journals. So I've been getting a lot of these die cut packs. This one I got on Amazon, and I will link it in the description. And I just think that this is really stinking cute. And so I'm gonna show you how to make this, and I will bring this out again. I just wanted to show it to you fast. And I also showed you guys, let me just grab it fast. I also showed you how you can make, I'm gonna get my stash out again to show you. These items here that you could sew. I bought a new little mini machine. Now I've had several of these in the past, and they don't last that long, but they're good to sew. They're good to sew paper with. Like this was another one. Oh, I didn't sew this, but this was a little stencil. But let me just get you one that was actually sewed, like this one. So, I mean, I don't want to take out my good machine to do this with. And I do have another machine, but it's a kind of a big machine. These guys, and I got this on Amazon. This is a machine that they're little mini machines. And they work well with the paper. So we're going to get into this, and I'm going to show you. Let me see if I can open it fast. I'm going to show you how to sew the tags and things like that. I just got it, so I didn't take it out of the box yet. Okay. Excuse all the noise. Now, I noticed people have been leaving reviews on Amazon saying they got a used machine. This is not a used machine. This is how they test to make sure the machine was functioning when they manufactured it. So all my machines that I got had the same little setup here. And you have your little mini spool of thread. This only takes these little mini spools. And so then it came with a little accessory pack, I believe. So let's take a look and see what's in here. Okay, So, and I have my packs from my old machine, so I have plenty of thread, and it gives you some little needles, and you have a little scissor and a needle threader. Oh no, that's a seam ripper. It gives you little cute little things. And then it also gives you your basic black and white with the little bobbin. And I guess that's to do a zipper, though I would never do it with this machine. And so you get that and the machine, and you get the cords. You get your little plug and a little manual. So we're going to have fun with this little guy, and hopefully it'll work good. And it won't plunk out on me too fast. Then I got these, and I reviewed another set of these, but these are different, and these were so stinking cheap. These are like $9 on Amazon for this whole thing. And then the set I got was like, I want to say $13 or $14. And these are really pretty. And these we are going to use when we do our collaging. And they are all different. And I just like this size. So I'm not going to go through every single one. But these are really nice. I mean, look at that one. I really like that. So when we're doing collaging for these kind of things, especially these, let's see. Oh, of course, you can never find something when, here it is. So especially when we're doing something like this, we could collage these, and there are some that I actually did that to. Like, here's an example. You could take bits and pieces of different things. So that's where these really come in handy, because you just could rip them and then use them, just use the small pieces to do the collaging. And so I love these paper packs. Here's a good example. You see how we just take little pieces of paper? And this is thinner than scrapbook paper, but it's not too thin, but it's really good to cut, just to rip it and use pieces. And this will go a long way. I mean, because you could rip it in a couple different pieces and use it. Oh, and here's a perfect example of, this is one of the ones I was looking for. So this is a perfect example of the sewing and using these as collage elements. And this is a piece of paper from an old book that I had purchased. And I purchased a bunch of old books just to use for these type of things. And then this was, I saw somebody else do that. I thought that was really cool. You just cut, that was like a little piece of ephemera. And you just have to make sure you line it up. And I'll show you how to do that. So these are just great little elements for your journals and things. So that's what I bought these boxes for. And we'll get into each one of these packs when we do the video, when we're actually working with them. I'll show you one more, because then this video is going to take forever. Let me know if you want me to do another video just on these to show you what each paper pack looks like. I'll be happy to do that. This one has all kind of writing on it. It gives you that like junk journal, retro, vintage vibe. That's why I like these things too. So let me know if you want to see more of these. I will show those to you. And like I said, for the price, I ordered another set because the price was just so good. And then I got my favorite glue here, the Arc Glitter Glue, dries clear. You have the smaller bottle, which I love. I've had mine forever, and they kind of dried out and all cracked, so I got myself a new one. And let's see. Okay, now these are jump rings. And I needed the jump rings to make little, like these little charms and stuff. And we're going to get into this. I mean, I have this whole beautiful thing of charms. Let me show you. Okay, that's a thing of beauty. I keep this on my desk because it's so pretty. But what I'm going to be doing with these is, these are great to put on your journal, like on the side of a journal. Give you an example. Here's a journal we're going to be working on soon. You could hang it on the side. You could hang them on the side. You could make earrings from them. I mean, I could show you so many different things you could do. You could do clusters of them and make a keychain. I do have some that, let me see if I can grab them fast. I did make some, these are big, fat, chunky keychains. And it's just all of these attached to a chain. Let me know if you want me to show you how to make these. I'll be happy to do a video. I'll probably be doing that somewhere along the lines, but let me know if you want to see it sooner than later. But I have my car keys on one that's looking like this. And then here's a nice blue one. I mean, you don't have to do them this big. You could certainly make them smaller. But I just love them when they're big like that. So anyway, that's why I got jump rings to do things like this. Even though these I didn't use jump rings on. I actually used a wire for these. But like I said, I will show you the applications where we're going to be using these. And so that was another thing that I got. And then we got the paper clips. And I love these bronze paper clips. It's the same paper clip. These are the same paper clips that I used here. And I will show you how to make them. They're regular paper clips. You just fancy them up a little bit. And it's just really simple to do with a little jewelry tool. And you're just going to bend it. And both sides are like that. So you have that side bended and this side bended. So that's what it looks like just from regular paper clips. And I love using those in journals. So I got that. And I also got these little mini guys. And I had a bunch from Tim Holtz one time, but I cannot find them. And I love these little tiny ones. Oh, and I got these on Amazon. I love these little tiny ones just to attach things to your journal. So you don't have to use a great big paper clip to hold your things on your journal. And these take up a lot less room too. And you could just use those for so many things. So I'm glad I got those. And they come in this cute little tin. So I don't know why they gave you a tin so big when there's not much in there. Okay. And then I think that might be everything that... oh, one other thing. The last thing I wanted to show you is... you know, when you're doing journals and you want to do a decorative spine, the decorative paper could be expensive, especially when you are, and I'm trying to find, oh, there it is. Of course, it flew on the floor. Hold on one second. When I was doing journals in the past, I was getting this type of decorative paper, and it's pretty thick. It's pretty sturdy. And you could still get this, but I think one sheet is like $5, and I took a little piece off of this sheet. But it's expensive for these sheets. So what I found on Amazon, and I never really was stuck on the shine of it. So what I found on Amazon is this. And this is just just amazing looking. It's like has sticky back. So it's like contact paper. And I'm going to use this. I mean, they look identical, the pattern. This is just not as shiny, so I think I like this better. And I think this whole roll was $8. I think it was under $10. I'll link it in the subscription, in the I'll link it in the comments or in the description. And so I think this is really going to be handy. So I'm going to try that. Like I said, I like this better because it's not as shiny. So that's just my latest haul. There'll be more. I'm expecting more things tomorrow. And I got another one of these because I love these little mini glue bottles. I keep one on my desk. They don't take up a lot of room, and they're just 1, 2, 3. You don't got to worry about a big bottle, so I got another one of these. So that is my haul for today. Please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more of this type of thing, or, you know, what you like. And so while I'm doing, this is the first video I'm doing. I had some issues going on in my household, so just a little bit of drama with my cat, which she disappeared. I don't know where she went. She was 13, so I think she just died. So that happened a couple days ago. My husband was out of town, and I'm on the phone with him, and my Chihuahua dog starts having a seizure. He was like foaming at the mouth, and it happened like 4 times. I had to take him to an emergency vet. He's okay now, but I mean, that was the same day my cat disappeared. So I was like freaking out. So I'm like, I love my fur babies. And so I'm really stressed about that. But I just wanted to share that little bit with you. I know you guys have your animals that you absolutely adore as well. And so I forgot what I was just going to do. I was going to do something. Oh, I'm going to get you the price to this. And yes. Oh, the giveaway. So we're going to be doing our first giveaway, and it's open from today, October 6th through November 6th. You must hit like and subscribe and leave a comment to be eligible for this giveaway. And it's going to be a nice giveaway, and it's our first one. It's only opened to the US Mainland right now. But as we grow, I will be reaching out to international as well. And, you know, it's a small channel right now. I'm trying to gather subscribers and people that like the content. So, yeah. So I'll have it in the description. But I would appreciate it if you can leave a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. I really want to do a lot of giveaways on this channel. I think I want to give back to you for supporting me. So I hope you guys like this video and my other videos. Just let me know, okay? So listen, you have a great day. Thank you for watching, and please hit like and subscribe. And until next time.